Well, hello there, little birds. Hold it! No. I told you gators to leave our young'uns alone.
I hate that big, ugly bear.
This used to be gator heaven till that furball showed up with his infernal paddle cab. One of these days, Floyd, we gonna get even.
Yeah, one of these days.
Oh.
Well, class, this is the big day y'all have been waiting for. I'm pleased to declare that school is out and summer vacation is finally here.
Hooray!
Kissyfur, wait! Huh? I have a surprise for you. A surprise? Yeah. It's for being such a good friend all year long. Gee, thanks, Bee Honey.
Ooh. Kissyfur's in love. Kissyfur's in love. Kissyfur's in love.
Hey, cut out all the mushy stuff, Bee Honey. Mushy stuff? I'll show you some mushy stuff. Ah!
Girls, who needs them?
Yeah, who needs them?
I hate girls.
My mom's a girl, and I like her.
Wise up, Toot. Girls are dumb. And if there's one thing us swamp guys don't need, it's another dumb girl.
Hi, boys.
Who are you?
This is Donna. She's Miss Emmy's niece, come to visit for the summer. Now, you cubs get acquainted while I take these ladies over to do some peach picking.
Any other questions? Where you from, Donna? Yellowstone. Where's Yellowstone?
Don't be dumb, kissy face. Where is Yellowstone?
It's where all the best bears are from. So, what do you do for excitement around this boring place anyway?
Boring?
Our swamp?
Yoo-hoo, Donna. My, look how big you've grown. Come on, I'll help you unpack.
Girls. Huh. Who needs them? Right, guys? Right, guys? Right, you. Who needs them?
Oh, even if they are gorgeous.
So, you want to play swamp ball? Not now, Toot.
It's too hot.
Then, do you want to go swimming?
No.
Nah, maybe later.
Tomorrow.
But it's vacation. Sure to. Later, okay?
Yeah, later. I got stuff to do.
Me too.
Me too.
Hey, what's wrong with you guys? Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Hi, Miss Emmy. Can Donna play?
Why, sure, Kissyfur. But she's upstairs, right?
Thanks! Donna! It's me! Kissyfur!
Big deal.
Huh?
Get at the end of the line, kissy face.
Okay, boys, stand back, 'cause here I come. Somebody catch me. Never mind. You dudes want to know what your problem is?
What?
You've got to learn to be cool.
What's cool?
Cool is like me. It's doing whatever you feel like doing and not letting anybody boss you around.
Not even grown-ups?
Especially not grown-ups.
I like it. I like it.
Yeah. How do we get cool?
Well, we start with your looks.
Emmy,
I'm all ready, Gus.
have you seen Kissyfur and the Cubs? We need their help, too.
They're right here. Yoo-hoo, boys!
Huh?
What's so funny? This is the cool look.
It's not funny. It's plain stupid.
Sorry, son. If you want to look like that, fine. But right now there's work to do. So let's go.
Well, guys, I thought you weren't going to let grown-ups tell you what to do.
This is different. He's my dad.
So,
Yeah.
yes, and my father
And my
also
dad
is
is here,
quite a
too. That
stern
big one, that's my
disciplinarian.
father.
Boy, cooling out those guys is going to be harder than I thought.
Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Easy now. Okay, Cubs. Start smoothing off the bark while we go find some railing poles.
Oh, brother, how square can you get?
Ow! This is definitely not cool.
You said it. Why don't you dudes ditch this crummy job and let's have some fun?
But my dad said...
Your dad said? Oh, give me a break. I thought you guys were cool.
Hey, I'm cool.
Me too.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, I'm cool. I'm cool.
All right, because Cubs just want to have fun. Where are you going? We've got a job to do. Jobs are boring.
Yeah, we're too cool for that.
Much too cool.
We're cool. Look out, Swamp, 'cause we are cool. So what cool things are we gonna do, Donna?
Well, for starters, how about that?
My dad's paddle cab?
Yeah, let's take it for a ride.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
a cool
that's
idea.
Cool. That's cool.
Definitely
I mean, that's
a
really cool. Yeah.
suggestion.
Oh, yeah.
But I'm not supposed to.
So, what's it gonna hurt just this once? You're not chicken, are you, Kissyfur?
Kissyfur's chicken.
Oh, yeah?
Now this is cool!
You think they'll be okay?
We have to stop them!
I know a shortcut.
See any lunch yet, Floyd?
Lunch? I'm still looking for breakfast. Hot diggity. Tender, juicy cubs, all by their helpless, lonesome selves.
Where?
Right over there. Wahoo!
Dumb, you are dumb! Now let's go get 'em!
Yeah, let's go get 'em. Cannonball! Dum, 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 dum.
Give me that!
Go faster, Kissyfur!
Yeah, faster is cooler.
This is so cool!
That's nothing. Watch this.
Hit the brakes!
Yeah, the brakes, Donna! But there aren't any brakes! Gators!
Oh, no! Kissyfur! Catch this!
Everybody hold hands. We're gonna do an old circus trick.
Now this is cool! Hurry, you guys! Lenny, you're making the rope wiggle!
My dad's Paddlecab.
I'll get them little suckers, Jolene.
Hold it, Floyd. I got a better idea.
What?
Start driving. With this paddle cab, we can take charge of this swamp once and for all.
Yeah? How?
For openers, we'll get rid of that big, ugly Papa Bear. Then, all those little cubs will be ours for the picking.
What am I gonna do? If I tell my dad, I'll be grounded for 10,000 years.
Not too cool.
There you are. All finished working on the bridge?
Well, sorta.
No need to be modest, little bear. I'll bet we're going to be real surprised when we see what you cubs have done.
Bet you will.
My paddle cab!
Well, looky who I see. It's that big, fat, ugly bear.
Eat your heart out, Bear Breath.
Those gators stole my paddle cab!
Dad, wait!
Gus!
Jolene, that dumb bear is gaining on us.
Well, that's part of my plan, luggage lips. Beat this thing over there. Hey, Bear Brain, over here. Na 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 na
Quicksand! Hey! Get me out of here!
Why, looky who dropped in for a visit, Jolene.
Yeah, I expect he's gonna be sticking around too, Floyd. Come on, we got us a whole swamp full of cubs to catch now.
Yeah.
Lenny, baby, you are one cool warthog.
You two look totally bummed. You must be as bored as I am, huh?
No, we're worried about poor Kissyfur. He's gonna be in big trouble for taking his dad's paddle cab. Why did he do such a dumb thing?
Not dumb. Cool. Besides, nobody got hurt, did they? Gators! Dad!
Gus!
Dad!
Gus!
Dad!
Gus, where are you?
Kissyfur, Miss Emmy Lou, the gators grabbed Donna. And Lenny and the Jackal sisters and...
Gotta find my dad fast.
We got us enough fritters to last a month.
What are fritters? Oh, don't even ask. You mean us? Like for lunch?
Lunch, dinner, and breakfast.
It was your dumb idea to fool with the paddle cab, Donna.
Yes, it was definitely not a cool thing to do.
Oh, not cool at all.
Be quiet. End of the line. And I do mean end.
I want my
Help! Somebody help!
Dad!
Yes, let's go.
Help!
Coming, Dad! Dad!
Oh, Gus!
Quick, throw me a vine!
Hold on, Dad!
Got it!
Oh, he's too heavy. What do we do, Miss Emmy?
I have an idea. Kissyfur, can you climb to the top of that tree and tie this vine to it?
You bet.
Quick, Toot, chew down this tree.
Okay, Miss Emmy.
Dad!
Toot. Now let's push this down.
Dad, are you all right?
Still in one piece, little bear.
Oh, Gus, the gators used your paddle cab to catch the cubs for dinner.
Yeah, we've got to stop them.
I'll bet I know right where to find them. Come on.
Floyd, hurry up and pour the drinks. We're about ready to eat.
I can't remember what goes with meat, red swamp water or green swamp water.
Well, chicken, or pork, or healthy bear.
Hold it, gators. Leave those cubs alone.
Uh-oh, Dad. They're getting away.
Faster, Floyd, faster!
I warned you two before. Stay away from our young'uns. Far away! I still can't figure out how those gators got a hold of my paddle cab.
Dad, it was my fault.
Huh? Do tell.
I wanted to be cool, so I took everybody for a ride.
Cool, huh?
But now I know. The coolest ones of all were Bee Honey and Toot. 'Cause they were there when we needed them.
Oh, Sissy Furs in love. Sissy Furs in...